Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add screen flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to Setup. So here in the Setup menu, we need just to click on Setup. And simply, we need just to search for the flows. So basically, I'm just going to type flow, and here we will find the flows. And now, after we access our flows, we need just to create a new one. After that, we need just to start from scratch, or you can simply use a template, but it's preferable to start from scratch. We click on next, and from here, we will find the select type. And basically, the first type that we will find, which is a screen flow. And as you can see, a screen flow guides user through a business process that is launched from the Lightning Pages, Experience Cloud sites, or quick actions and more. So whenever you go for a quick action, or for example, you go to some kind of page, for example, this page, we can have, for example, this screen that will be launched. Now I'm just going to click on create. And the first thing is to have your flows here, and you can click on any elements that you would like. And I'm just going to click on any elements, and here you can add a screen if you would like. And simply you will need just to choose some inputs, for example, an action button. And whenever you click on this action button, you will have the screen that will be uh, launched or triggered. So here you can choose all the other components, etc. And let's give it a name. And simply we need just to add the components. You will need just to uh, have all the things that should be configured correctly. And now we can add our action, for example, assignments and all the action that you want, for example, decision. And if it is here, you can create a record. If it was here, we want to send, for example, a notification or alert. Let's have it alert, for example, or notification. And you will need just to continue until you get the desired result. So at the end, you will need just to click on save and activate your screen flow, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.